Hey, what's up? Welcome to Degen Ed. That's degenerative education, meaning none of this is financial advice. Just me having fun looking at charts like the chart behind me, which is of Microsoft, ticker symbol MSFT. And so I went over this chart last month on November 29th. And given that today, Friday, is December 29th, I thought it'd be nice to do a monthly follow-up looking at Microsoft before the close of the year, looking at the monthly time frame, which I did in the last video. And so in that video, I went over all of these lines that are drawn in the chart. So you should check that one out if you'd like to learn more about those lines. But yeah, I just wanted to give a quick update on not only the monthly time frame, but also the daily time frame, because I think it's pretty interesting what's going on. So basically in the last video, I had suggested that I would like to see a pullback following the month of November, this green candle, to get a test of this red line as support, get a bounce. And it looks like that's exactly what we saw in December. A retest basically exactly to that line and a bounce. And so that might seem fairly bullish, but actually if we look on the daily time frame, which I will do in a second, it might actually look pretty bearish. And especially looking at the monthly time frame, one thing that we really want to pay attention to as far as the close goes today, which is the close of the month and the year. If we look at November, that closed at, let's see, $378.91. Currently, the price is below that. And if we do get a close for today, December 29th, lower than $378.91, that suggests that the top is in, we can't close higher, and we're likely to go down more. And this will be further supported if and when we look over at the daily time frame, like right now. All right, and so looking at the daily time frame, what I have drawn here is this consolidation channel that shows uptrending consolidation that followed after this drop in the price. So what this looks like to me is the formation of a bear flag. We have the pole here with these candles coming down, uptrending consolidation, which will likely break to the downside. Also, I do want to point out the moving averages that I have drawn here. The 200-day is in blue, pretty far below current price. Not surprising since we just recently hit all-time highs. The yellow line here is the 50-day moving average, which coincides more or less exactly with this red trend line support that I have drawn here. So I find that pretty compelling, which we did test earlier in the month. That would have been on, let's see, December 4th. And then the 21-day moving average is just below the current price at $372.86. So currently serving as support. But if that does break, which I suspect it will in January, we could see a retest of the red line as support, possibly breaking below that, and maybe heading down to test the 200-day moving average at $329.01. So those are just my thoughts on Microsoft. If you found them helpful, make sure you like the video, share your thoughts in the comments down below, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks a lot for watching.